What if I told you that this tiny microphone can completely change how your video sounds like, without bulky receivers, cables everywhere, and complicated setup? Today I am unboxing and reviewing DJI mini mic plus DJI receiver. And I will honestly tell you, is this little thing worth for creators like us? If you record videos on the go, in your home or in your studio, watch this whole video. Welcome back to my channel Tiger's Heart, where we talk about gadget and simple tools that help creators to create their content. And today we are talking about audio, because great audio matters more than great video. This is DJI mini mic paired up with DJI mobile phone receiver. Right away, the package feels really premium, what you would expect from DJI. Inside the box you get only the things you really need. No unnecessary accessories. The first thing you will notice is how small and light this transmitter is. It is discreet and it doesn't scream, "Wow, I'm wearing a microphone." This infinity black color perfectly blends with your clothes. You can not even see it if you are not wearing a dead cat on it. Build quality feels solid, what you would expect from DJI. Now let's talk about setup, because setup is the thing where the most microphone fails. With this mobile phone receiver, you just plug it in your phone and pair it with your microphone and you are ready to go. No apps, no pairing issues, no menus, no anything. This makes it just perfect for YouTubers, content creators, or anyone who just want to focus on their content. Right now you are hearing audio from DJI mini mic. This is recorded in my living room studio without no edit, no processing, anything, just sound from DJI mic. What stands out is the clarity of the sound. My voice sounds clean, natural, and present. This is the kind of sound that makes your video sounds more natural. This microphone is perfect if you record YouTube videos, film with your phone, create content in your home or on the go, want better audio without bulky gear. If you value simplicity, this setup makes sense for you. So is this DJI mini mic with mobile phone receiver worth it? If you want a great sound, fast setup, definitely worth it. Audio is the one of the best and easiest thing that you can do as a creator. And this mic proves that you don't need complicated setup to sound like professional. If this video helps you out, please like it, subscribe to my channel Tiger's Heart, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.